2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.